Hi there, students. Assay and essay. Okay, an assay, to assay. To assay is to analyse a substance, to discover what's in it. This is particularly common either for mining samples or for biochemistry, pharmacology, medicine. So, for example, if you're digging a mine, you will assay the ore. The ore is the earth with metal in it, to find out the purity of your sample, to decide if it's worth refining or not. In the UK, you have assay offices, which mostly nowadays they assay and stamp the purity of gold and silver produced for jewellery. But you assay a mining sample. In a pharmaceutical laboratory, you assay something. You assay a sample to find out the chemical ingredients within it. Okay, so this is the main meaning of this verb to assay, to test and discover what's in it. You can also use to assay metaphorically to mean to assess or evaluate something. So he assayed the situation, he assayed the situation. He looked at it and weighed up what was happening. When a new client comes into his shop, he assays the wealth of the client by the clothes that he's wearing. I tried to assay the suitability of the candidates before interviewing them. Okay, so you're using it to mean to estimate, to work out the qualities of. In the dictionaries, it also says assay, meaning a try or an attempt, but I wouldn't use it like this. I think this is very archaic. Now, an essay. You've all written an essay, a piece of writing on a specific subject. For the exam, you need to write 2 essays, one essay of 350 words. Modern society is much less caring. Discuss. You can also use essay either as a noun or a verb to mean an attempt or a try. But notice this is very formal as well. So you wouldn't want to use he essayed, his last essay to win the title was in vain. You could use that in a very formal document, but I wouldn't use it elsewhere. He essayed new avenues of thought. But again, you've got to keep this very formal. Essay as a written piece, this is neutral. To assay, neutrality, it's a technical word. You assay a sample, yeah? And that you could use informally or very formally. With this to assay, to evaluate a situation, to me this sounds quite literary, yeah? And this sounds really reasonably formal. I wouldn't use he assayed the situation in an informal context. He summed up the situation. He weighed up the situation. So, an assay, a chemical analysis, or an evaluation and analysis of something, maybe more formal. And then an essay, a piece of writing, or a very formal word meaning an attempt or to attempt. Both of these words come from French. You have a verb essayer, to try. Un essai, a try, an attempt. And this itself comes from Latin, exagiare, meaning to weigh out. So I can understand the written essay meaning of this. So, assay, a chemical analysis, or to evaluate. And then an essay, a piece of writing, or a formal attempt. So, both words are regular as well. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.